What's up, guys? We are back at it again with the back at it again. I'm like really tired. We just had Maury's party, and well, not really a party. We had his birthday celebration at the house. We had a few people over, and it was absolutely amazing. All right, so here I am showing you some DIY items that I created for the event.
Everybody put your hands in the air.
I made a few cake stands and cupcake stands and some wine bottles that I designed for the event. Guys, if you are not interested in seeing this part of the video, you can always skip through it. But I like to show off my skills, as you already know, because your girl's got mad skills. And here's the cake stand that I created. If you guys want to see a video on that, just leave a comment below and I'll definitely go ahead and upload that.
Your birthday.
Maury, stand up. Yay.
Eventually.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Caesar.
Happy birthday, dear Maury.
Happy birthday to
Happy birthday to you.
How old are you now?
How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now?
What?
All right.
Everybody sounds hungry.
Really? Got your cake, baby. Don't blow up the camera.
Wait, hold on.
I'll keep blow it out then.
Tandy got something to say. Floor is yours, babe.
Hold on, let me sit down and fix my hair first.
You're on camera. She did it too.
Girl, I can edit that. Okay. Thank you guys so much for coming out. Appreciate you guys being here tonight. I know it's a Friday night and a lot of people was asking, why are you doing on a Saturday? On a Friday? Well, it's because after the cake and the candle, I want you guys to light. No, I'm just kidding. Am I really kidding? No, I'm just kidding. No! Don't be! Stop it, guys. I'm not that rude. Don't know you.
No, seriously, guys, thank you for coming out. My wife, y'all friends, some family. You guys know she's super talented, very driven. You know, she do anything for her children, and everything that's here, a lot of it was done by hand by her. These bottles, these things were spray painted gold. I could go on and on, man. Like, she put in time and a lot of work for a couple weeks on this, And it's not supposed to be extravagant, but it still turns out to be, even though it's a small gathering, it always ends up being extravagant. I mean, that's just her nature, and our kids are blessed to have her as a mother, and I'm blessed to have her as my wife, you know what I'm saying? She's super dope, so but we really thank you guys for coming out and just spending a little time with us on a Friday night. And yeah, that's all I got. Thank you, that's it. Cue the music, Hey.
Don't worry. Hey. Christian, man, you lick my baby. Dance, Christian. Get it. Oh, he just ignored the thought of me. He's thorough.
Now you oh, I oh shit, you just followed it up. How you do that joint, man?
Somewhere. You getting some of what, babe? I'm tired.
I'll do all the work. You know what I mean?
Really? You gotta close that chair. Close the chair if you want some. Really? Stop.
You're gonna put it on camera?
Really?
Make a blue movie.
No. That's how we got Omari.
Smelling like sex, right?
That's what, really?
Lust. Brother Omari.
Look, he got it.
Welcome to the
You gotta apply pressure. You gotta apply pressure.
Brother Omari.
Bike life. Move the trash bag, see? Get it, Ma? Wait, let me help you, Papa. Be careful.
Can I go faster?
Go. Do it again.
Like,
Sit. Go. No? Okay. Say thanks for coming out. Say thank you for coming to my party. Say thank you.
Love me now. Love me now. I want you to love me now. Something inside us knows there's nothing guaranteed.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and that notification bell to stay in the buzz and see all the videos we have in the works.
we're buzzing out of here. Peace.